Hi, this is the Victorinox Spirit X. It comes with a leather pouch. It is all stainless steel with 24 functions. It comes on 209 grams and the overall length is 105 millimeters. It has a needle nose pliers with wire cutter. You have to close it to access everything. It has a large blade which locks. Every tool locks. If you want to unlock it, you have to push down these buttons. Then we have a wire stripper with a chisel. We have a large flathead screwdriver with a can opener. A punch, with a hook. And a wood saw. On the other side we have scissors, a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver with a can opener, and last, an iron file with an iron saw.